the dust blowing by, that's because it's so windy and it's coming from the river there.
Look at all the birds.
We're going to a new restaurant, and this is a square. There's a church over there. And there's Enrico over there. The Rotary Club. Ah, this is it. Ristorante. Ooh, there's a Vespa. Scooter. Ciao, happy Easter. And we got the Prosecco to start. This is the menu. And then antipasti, primo, secondo, dessert. That's usually how it goes. Very modern and beautiful looking restaurant. We got our soup. It's a thick soup. It says velutata di schlopit, and I'm not sure what a schlopit is. Is it a plant? Obviously, it's some vegetable or plant, right? But how does it taste? That is Enrico speaking in so many words. It's like, how is it? It's good. Enough said.
I like Canada.
Let me see. Ha. It's like that's cream in the middle, and it just tastes kind of like spinach. It tastes like actually like a spinachy pea soup. Okay, we got the antipasti. It's pesce spada, fumicato. That's a swordfish. Swordfish carpaccio, which means it's raw and sliced, and it is accompanied by a white wine, Ribolla Gialla Brut. No, this is the Bianco, just the normal white wine. So a lot of the times the dishes are accompanied by a specific wine. So during the year, this is actually a vegetarian restaurant, and what they're doing here is because it's Easter, and so for Easter they're doing something a little different where they have like fish and some meat dishes, but usually they don't. And then today everything is paired with a specific wine. So this dish is paired with a white wine. The one before was the Ribolla Gialla. The next one will be with the Merlot, and after the dessert will be with the Romandolo. So that's just how it's done. Everything is paired with a specific type of wine that goes with the dish, they say. Anyways, if you're vegetarian, this is a good restaurant. Polentina, that is like polenta, but with like vegetables or something inside. Enrico says it's good. See? It's like a vegetable thing inside. They use greens inside and polenta and make these balls. This is the risotto.
With nuts, very good.
With nettle and nuts, and it's quite good actually. Baby goat and potato gâteau. A pastiera di napoletana. So pastry called napoletana from Naples. That's what napoletana means, from Naples, from Napoli. Okay, it tastes like cake, and the outside is a bit crusty or crispy, but it's a soft kind of cake inside. The food was pretty good, but Parco is still my favorite restaurant. This is a new one that just opened, so we thought we'd try it and see how it is. But it was okay. It wasn't fantastic. It was good, but not my favorite, but it was okay. I would like to try just the vegetarian menu there, because I like vegetarian food actually. When it's done well, it's good. But yeah, so now we're going back to Udine, and I think I need to take a nap or something. I just feel really sleepy, and it's not because I ate a lot, because I actually didn't eat too much. I didn't overeat or anything, but I just feel sleepy. I think just because it's spring, just because of the weather's changing. And this is just what the street looks like going back to Udine, so we're still in Tomezzo. It's quite a small town, but not too small. Just small.
10,000.
10,000 people? 13,000 people. Udine has less than 100,000, but to me that's still a small town. So, I don't know about you, but I don't know, because I think it's relative, depends on the person. So I'm really sorry that I wasn't very energetic today. I'm just so sleepy and tired, and spring is kicking my ass basically. Oh look, an airplane. Okay, we're going back to Udine. That's it.